Now we are going to do a 3-factor 2-level design of experiments in Excel. First what we will do is, I will name the factors. So we have named the factors F, S and T. Now we will design the experiments. See, first we will put -1 4 times, +1 4 times, then -1 2 times, +1 2 times, repeat, and then -1 1 time, +1 1 time, we can repeat it. Either way you can put it. You can first you can put this -1 +1 and then -1 2 times and then -1 4 times. That also you can do it. You can do it either way. All the experiments will have to be covered. The actual result here is the actual result. Now we will have to find out the interaction levels. I will put interaction level here, AB, AC and then BC. And I will find out interaction level values here. What I will do is I will name this I will name it as A, this I will name it as B, and this I will name it as C underscore. Okay. This I will name it as Y actual. I will put it as YA. Yeah. This I will put it as A star B. A star B, Control Shift Enter. And here I will put it as equal to A star C underscore Control Shift down. Here also is okay. -1 into +1 is -1 is okay. Here this is equal to B star C. Equal to B star C underscore Control Shift Enter. So I put A, B, A, C. All the reactions are also put here. Now I'll just make it a central. Now I'll have to find out the A effect, B effect, C effect. So I'll put it as A effect, B effect, C effect, and then here it will be average, and then AB effect, and then AC effect, and then BC effect. We will find out. We will use a formula here. So is equal to sum product A star YA by 8. 8 experiments are there now. 10.125. So I will just calculate everything. This is average, right? Therefore, we will put here average. I will put here is equal to average YA. That's all. 172.875 is the average here. This one I will have to find out sum product of B star YF, right? That is -1 into 164 plus -1 into 166. Likewise, I add everything and divide by 8. That is B effect. Similarly, C effect, I will have to add factor C into Y actual for all the values of C and then divide by 8. Therefore, I will put it as C underscore. And here I will have to put, this is not there, and here I will have to put AB. And here I will have to put AC. And then here I will put BC. -1375. Now I'll have to arrange it in vertical order. So I'll copy it and put here, paste special, values, transpose, OK. And then I'll put this also. Copy, come here, paste values, paste special, paste values, paste transpose, OK. Now what I will do is I am going to copy this values only. Control C, Control V, paste values. And this I will have to sort. Sort, custom sort, and sort by E, column E. No headers are there, and say smallest to largest. And this is arranged. B effect is lowest. And then I have to have the normality check. What I will do is I will have to put 1 by 12. Why 1 by 12? Because there are 6 values are there. Therefore I will put equal to 1 by 12. And then I have to add equal to the previous value plus 1 by 6. I will keep on adding till the end. So till 0.92 it comes. Now all I need to do is I have to plot this. Insert, recommended charts. So this is the chart we will go. Okay. So this point and this point are the important. What is this point? This point is, you can go there, you can find out. This point is minus 2.375. That is this factor. So B is an important factor. I'll modify it. And then this factor 10.125 and A factor. These two. There is no other factors which are important. Even the reaction AB also is not important. Therefore, we will find out the equation. Y equivalent is equal to, I'll just put it as. So what is this? B naught is nothing but 172.875, and then beta A is that is 10.125 into XA is this factor level, and beta B is minus 2.375 into factor of B, and this is neglected. Beta AB is neglected because there is no interaction effects. So this is the equation. Okay. So what we can do is we can find out the values here. If you want, we can include AB effect, but it is neglected here. Right? It is not coming in this picture here. Now we will have this relation and find out the predicted values. Now we will find y hat. What is the formula for y hat? Equal to average, that is 172.875. I'll put this here and then fix it by pressing F4 plus A effect is 10.125. I'll put this, make it again F4, that is going to be constant, star A plus minus 2.375, that is B effect, star B. I'll put enter, and it's already filled up for the entire thing. Now what I will do is, I will name this as y hat. Define name, I'll put y hat. Okay. Now we will find the residual, and this is nothing but is equal to ya minus y hat, control shift enter. So it has filled up here. Now here I will put normality check. I'll just copy this, control C. I'll paste it as values, paste values. Now I'll have to arrange this. So I'll arrange this now. Sort, custom, confirm is only one row, one column. Okay. And it has a header, smallest to largest. Okay. So it has arranged here. Now I'll have to have this normality check. This is equal to, there are 8 experiments, right? So is equal to 1 by 16, 1 by 2 times 8 is equal to previous value plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, and I have to add for all the rest of the column. Now I have to plot this. Insert, recommended chart. This is it. Now it is okay. This is perfect, right? its normality is there. There is no doubt. This is okay. Residuals are close to 0. Now, what I will have to do is, I will have to have plus B minus B, that is A and B, no? Plus A and minus A. Plus B and minus B, we will have to find out. I will put A plus and then A minus. And here B plus and B minus. So I will have to find out the average of this. We will find B plus A plus, what is the output. So equal to average, I'll put tab here, average of A plus B plus, here is A plus 1, B plus 1, here also A plus 1, B plus 1. So average of this, comma, this, close bracket, enter. So 180.5. Similarly, we will have to find out for B plus A minus now. B plus A minus, we will put here, is equal to average of A minus. A minus is here. A minus is here. B plus. So these two. That is 160.5. Here is equal to average of B minus A plus. B minus is here, A plus is there. So 184, 187. That is B minus A plus. And then here B minus A minus here is equal to average of average of tab B minus A minus. B minus A minus is here, these two. 164, 166. Average of this is 165. 165 is there. Now we will plot this. When we plot this, select recommended chart. So go for all chart. Now you have to go for a line chart, and then this is the chart. Right. So this is no interaction effects are there, and depending upon the output you want, you can select A plus and B minus, or A plus and this is B minus. A plus and B minus means maximum. Lowest value, target value you want means that is B plus and A minus. If you select B plus and A minus, you will have the least value, and if you have A plus and B minus, you will have the maximum target value. This is how do this design of experiments for 3 factors, 2 levels. That completes the design of experiments. I think I'll stop sharing. Thank you.